Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload videos longer than 15 seconds to your stories without the need to split them. If you have a 60-second video or longer, this tutorial is perfect for you. Make sure to watch until the very end to learn this simple method. To begin, open the Google Play Store or the App Store on your device and search for Instagram. Ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Since this is a new feature on Instagram, it's important to have the app updated to access it. After updating the app, open Instagram and swipe to access the Instagram camera. You should receive a pop-up notification indicating that you can now upload longer stories. From here, you can either record a video using the camera or upload a video from your camera roll. If you choose to upload a video from your camera roll, and it's longer than 30 seconds, Instagram will no longer split it like it used to. This allows you to seamlessly upload longer videos to Instagram stories without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.